How y'all doing? A little late today, later than I wanted. I apologize for that. First of all, this is our project for today. So we have this, Chalk has this spiral notebook. So we're going to take this new Hey Sunshine. So this was part of the newest Tiffany release from a few weeks ago. And we're going to make a cute little notebook with it. All right, so I'm going to switch camera views so that this one is my primary. And actually, I'm going to take me off of there so that it is a little bit bigger. Okay, I can see comments, so that's good. All right, so we're going to use this spiral notebook. Let me take it out of the package here. I like these a lot. Retail price is $12. And then we have this Hey Sunshine A size transfer. So A size transfers are now $13, up from $11. Perks member pricing is $7.80, or no, I'm sorry, your designer pricing is $7.80. So Perks member is going to be like $8 something. So some of you might be out of graduation season. I probably should have actually thought about doing this project last week. But if you're not, and you're looking for a gift for a graduate, these notebooks would be cute. They would make a great journal. They would be really cute for a baby shower, for like a baby book, or for the guests to sign, like send a note to the mom-to-be, or even for a bridal shower for that same reason. And so we're going to do this in pucker and then a color called Squeeze. This was an on vogue color last year. So this is going to be really quick. The other thing that's nice about this, they're small, so they're quick and easy. We're going to do a paste and peel. I am actually, real quick, I am going to use some transfer tape to mask off. So I'm just going to cover the letters, and that way I don't have to worry about getting any yellow there. I'm going to, if I can get the edge of it, there we go. We'll peel the transfer tape up first. And then I'm going to grab my little detail tool to help me pull up the corner of this transfer here. Okay. Try not to pull it from the edges so that I don't stretch it out. So try to get it pulled up all the way across the top so that it can hold those corners. I was doing a project with an acrylic surface earlier, and I did not do that. And I just was pulling it up from one edge, just pulling it up diagonally, and I was stretching the poor thing out. So rocking the transfer back and forth helps if you're using a surface where it sticks particularly well. Probably could have stood to fuzz this one a little bit more. It doesn't have a lot of negative space, so I thought I was okay. I mean, it's fine, right? Like, I find that the shimmer pastes are a little more forgiving than the matte ones. And then I'm going to use this squeegee edge here to just make sure that my letters are pushed back down. Make sure that's closed, and then we're going to open this. And I'm going to use a squeegee that I cut in half so that it's a little bit smaller, a little more control. And I'm going to go across the top first and just get the top of those letters done, and then I can move without having to be quite so careful. I just got some orange in the sun. Going too fast. That's okay. All right. Pull this back up. The tricky part with these notebooks is that, oh no, I didn't. Okay. Is that the notebook cover lifts up, right, as you try to pull your transfer off. And so it makes it difficult to, because you don't have any resistance. This way. And it not having a whole lot of negative space up there actually kind of works against you. Okay, there you go. There's that. I have pucker all over my finger. So there we go. There's our cute little notebook. You could spray seal this or seal it with a little bit of gator hide. You really shouldn't have to. And, you know, you could go in and if you wanted to decorate some of the pages as a gift, you could certainly. All right. Okay, well, that was quick, which is unusual for me. So that is done. I will put together a little cart link for you all for this particular project. I'll sub out that Hey Sunshine, probably with some papaya or maybe orange peel, just so you all know, if you ever go to a cart link, you can change it. So you can delete stuff from your cart. You can add new stuff in your cart. That does not like leave you locked in to just those things that I put in the cart link. So I will put that together for you. Yeah. Okay. Have a good day. It was good talking to you all. I hope you have a lovely weekend. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Tag me, send me a PM, DM, whatever. And I'll make sure I get back to you. Talk to you later. Bye.